Why does your scanner show the P2635 engine code? What does it mean? P2635 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel pump, a low flow, or performance. This engine code indicates an imbalance in the air-to-fuel ratio in your car, indicating either that the ratio is too lean or too rich. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty fuel pump. Fuel pump relay issues. Clogged fuel filter. Fuel pump control module malfunction. Low fuel level. Damaged fuel pump wiring. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in most modern vehicles with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford F-150, Ram 1500, and Toyota Camry. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.